Python is a widely used, general-purpose, high-level programming language. It was initially designed by Guido Van Rossum in 1991 and developed by Python Software Foundation. It was mainly developed for emphasis on code readability, and its syntax allows programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code. In the late 1980s, history was about to be written. It was that time when working on Python started. Soon after that, Guido Van Rossum began doing its application-based work in December of 1989 at Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica, the CWI, which is situated in the Netherlands. It was started, firstly, as a hobby project because he was looking for an interesting project to keep him occupied during Christmas. The programming language in which Python is said to have succeeded is the ABC programming language, which had interfacing with the Amoeba operating system and had the feature of exception handling. He had already helped to create ABC earlier in his career, and he had seen some issues with the ABC, but liked most of the features. After that, what he did was really very clever. He had taken the syntax of ABC and some of its good features. It came with a lot of complaints too, so he fixed those issues completely and had created a good scripting language that had removed all the flaws. The inspiration for the name of the programming language came from BBC's TV show Monty Python's Flying Circus. As he was a big fan of the TV show, and also he wanted a short, unique, and slightly mysterious name for his invention, and hence he named it Python. He was the benevolent dictator for life, BDFL, until he stepped down from the position as the leader on 12 July 2018. For quite some time, he used to work for Google, but currently he is working at Dropbox. The language was finally released in 1991. When it was released, it used a lot fewer codes to express the concepts. When we compare it with Java, C++, and C, its design philosophy was quite good too. Its main objective is to provide code readability and advanced developer productivity. It was released. It had more than enough capability to provide classes with inheritance, several core data types, exception handling, and functions. Following are the illustrations of different versions of Python along the timeline. The two of the most used versions has to be Python 2.x and 3x. There's a lot of competition between the two, and both of them seem to have quite a number of different fan bases. For various purposes such as developing, scripting, generation, and software testing, this language is utilized due to its elegance and simplicity. Top technology organizations like Dropbox, Google, Quora, Mozilla, Hewlett-Packard, Qualcomm, IBM, and Cisco have implemented Python. Python has come a long way to become the most popular coding language in the world. Python has just turned 30, and recently at PyCon 22, the Python conference, a new feature was released by Anaconda Foundation. It's known as Pyscript. With this now, Python can be written and run in the browser like JavaScript, which was previously not possible. But it still has that unknown charm and X factor, which can be clearly seen from the fact that Google users have consistently searched for Python much more than they have searched for Kim Kardashian, Donald Trump, and Tom Cruise.